Good morning.
जानते नहीं होंगे तुम.
This is Rangoli Tiwari, and I am with Mr. Chintan Nirala. He is one of the best mooters in my college. He is currently in 5th year, and so let's start interview.
Hi guys, I'm Rangoli. He's my 5th year senior.
What's this?
Very friendly terms with him. So sir, since you already introduced yourself, I'm gonna start with the interview. You can add anything in between if you want. Okay. So first question, how did you land in mooting, or did you start mooting?
I started mooting because I started going to court. So basically,
So in first year,
yes,
you have very prior experience. So first year court.
yes,
So what's wrong with you? So did you have any prior experience of public
No.
speaking?
I am little bit crooked, you know. So I started doing inter, and from that I got inspiration to do it.
So how many moves you have done so far?
4
For nationals.
national,
Okay, sir. So no winnings. To be clear.
fortunately.
Unfortunately. So next question. What interests or excites you about mooting?
To play with law basically, to interpret it.
Next question. What skills does mooting build?
Oration,
Except that.
how to interpret law again, how
Except that. Also
to
that.
how to do away your nervousness, build up confidence, and every other that,
Black suit.
Okay,
nothing else.
let's stop it.
All those common ones.
So any tips and advice on mooting regarding team building, research, pressure, anything? Like,
I always emphasize on researching because that is for me the most crucial part in mooting. Speaking is good, but it's the second stage. If you do not know the law, if you do not know the case laws, you cannot speak it. So it's better not only for the researcher to research, but also for the speaker to research.
anything else? Sir?
Else,
Like regarding
again,
pressure handling, like how to deal with the pressure.
relieve the pressure. Do not take mooting as so much burdensome. It always enjoy, but do not enjoy so much that you end up having 4
Like, do
national
this, but
and
don't do
winning
this.
nothing. But
Do this one.
take seriously, but
Do this, but
not
don't do this.
that seriously.
So any interesting experiences in moots?
A lot, but
So one
not
thing you can
worthy of
tell in
speaking.
public.
Yes.
Sir,
not worthy of
anything.
speaking.
Sir,
No.
anything. Sir, like one thing you can say in public. Anything? This is very bad, by the way. Are you sure? It's gonna be interpreted in a very bad way, by the way.
No problem.
Okay, so what it takes to be a mooter?
Time,
Sweet question.
goes, attendance.
To be a mooter? I mean, now it
Yes.
does, I guess, attendance and all.
Now it's very much relaxed, but when I was in second or third year, it took attendance, time, goes, all of that. But it gave the product also. They would be happy after the voting finish.
Okay, sir. So, is there anything you wish you had done differently?
No,
So, how come you don't have
No.
any regrets or anything?
I have no regrets. I am perfect. Guys.
So, seriously,
Yes,
said by someone who hasn't
might
won anything? No offense.
hasn't
With
worked.
all due respect.
What?
So, like you saying, no regrets, like something.
So it was my problem, no. So I have to work on
So,
that.
did you think something wrong you did?
No, not
Okay,
this.
sir. Okay, sir. So, okay. What were your biggest weaknesses, and would you say कि mood has helped you overcome it?
Bigger weakness was again oration and nervousness, and they both were overcome by
I
me.
can see that. Next question. What are you most proud of when it comes to mood?
Most proud of when it comes to more that I've been with many juniors and I have given whatever I know to them to the extent possible. That is something which is more than winning ever.
Okay, sir. So, what would you recommend to someone like me? Like I've done 2 nationals and 2 intras. What would you recommend me?
Don't end up like me.
Don't.
End up like me, win something.
Okay, so how would you encourage someone to do a mood?
Encourage if you want to know law basically, because whatever we study theoretically it's good, but if you want to know the practical aspect you have to do mooting. There is no other way you can know what's going on the field or what's going in court other than mooting. So that is the only source through which you can know what is there and you can get prepared to go to court. That's it.
Sir, do you have a favorite mooter and what did you learn from that person?
Okay, my favorite motor was Tanya ma'am. She was a pass out. She won 3 moves. Her thing was that her oration was very good. She used to persuade the coach so easily according to her own will. That is the skill which I want to get.
Did you see her? Like, mooting? Sir, how did you feel when I told you about the interview?
Nothing.
Something.
I have to do one more thing now.
What?
That's it. The interview.
Okay, sir. I guess questions are done. So, any final word, any other thing to a non-mooter watching this video?
Do some mood. Don't shy away. That is one of the compulsory portion. That should be made a compulsory portion, especially in our university. That is why do more.
Allahabad University, by the way.
Whatever are your aims, whether it be PCG or IAS, but it is necessary to know all the aspects of law that you should be knowing.
Okay, sir. Thank you.